Welcome to this tutorial on how to trade Forex with Oanda. In this video, we will walk you through the essential steps to get started and how to effectively navigate the Oanda trading platform. First, you need to create an account with Oanda. Visit their website and click on the Sign Up option. Fill in the required information, such as your name, email address, and preferred password. Once registered, verify your account through the email Oanda sends you. After verification, log into your account. Next, deposit funds into your Oanda account. Navigate to the funding section and choose your preferred payment method. Oanda supports various options, including bank transfers and credit cards. Enter the amount you wish to deposit and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction. Ensure that you are aware of any fees associated with your chosen method. Now, you can start trading. Select the currency pair you want to trade from the list available on the platform. Decide if you want to buy or sell based on your market analysis. Set your trade size, apply any stop loss or take profit orders as necessary, and then execute your trade. Monitor your positions regularly and adjust your strategies based on market conditions to optimize your trading results. Remember to practice risk management to protect your investments.